everybody. Erin Troy. Excited to start yet another adventure with you all. My placement, my clinical field work is in a crisis pregnancy center for women, offering more than just dealing with pregnancy. There's STD testing, there's counseling, there's healthy relationship counseling, there's restorative programs, there's assistance resources for after you have a baby, ultrasound, there's medical, basic, I guess, pregnancy testing and ultrasounds, bottom line of their medical offerings. Anyway, let's see. What else? What else do I hope to gain? I have to keep just gaining more knowledge so that, things come naturally to the surface, things to say, things to do. I guess to feel more and more seasoned in the field so that, people feel comfortable and confident that I'm going to be able to help them. So that's what I hope to gain. It's different because my first placement was in an elementary school, which coincidentally was right down the street. But there I really only got to work with small children, and I was more connecting with their parents and resources for them and along those lines. So it was a wonderful placement, but this is completely different and probably more along the lines of what it is I would like to do eventually, marriage and family therapy or, some sort of counseling along those lines. I think that's about it. I wish you all the best of luck. I feel like we're in the home stretch, so yay. I don't know if there's any group work. I didn't look at that far, but if you're in my group, I thank you in advance for your patience, for my lack of tech savviness. I am improving each time I do one of these videos. I always mention it, but I'm improving. So again, thank you for your patience. And again, good luck, guys.